Let there be justice for all. Let there be peace for all. Let there be work, bread, water, and salt for all.
Lawa kwaba amazwi akhuthazayo kaMengameli emva kweminyaka eminingi yokulwela inkululeko.
We commit ourselves to the construction of a complete, just, and lasting peace. We have triumphed in the effort to implant hope in the breasts of the millions of our people. We enter into a covenant that we shall build the society.
Sekuhlangana cishe iminyaka engamashumi amathathu elakuleli lathola inkululeko, kepha zisakhona inkinga ezikhungethe izakhamuzi.
When you look from Nelson Mandela to Thabo Mbeki, from Thabo Mbeki to President Motlanthe, from Motlanthe to President Zuma, from President Zuma to the current president, you would see that there is a lot that has changed.
It's excitement at the time. People was hopeful. People had high dreams. Not only the people in the city, but also in rural areas.
Abanye sebelahlile ithemba ngelithi izinto angeke zisaba ngcono njengoba nenkinga yohlelo lokucisha konga ugesi ibhokile.
He says, for the country to be like this, it's because of Mandela. Then Thabo Mbeki came in. Then it was Zuma who made things worse. Today, the country has a lot of problems.